Alright, welcome to another video, Digital Art Lovers. Let me start this video off by saying it feels really amazing to be here back on YouTube, to be able to be creating content for you guys and sharing content with you guys. So with that said, let's dive straight into the meat of this video. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys two quick tips that I use to draw anyone's anatomy. My current setup is my Samsung Galaxy tablet, and I use ibis Paint X to draw. Now, I'm not saying you have to use the exact setup. Your setup might be different, and that's okay. So whether you're on desktop or you're on iOS or Android, these two methods I'm about to share with you guys can be applied on any operating system, in any software. So with that said, I'm going to dive into my setup now, and I'm going to start doing a speed paint. I'm going to do a speed paint, and you guys can follow along. So I'm going to narrate while I'm doing the speed paint to explain to you guys my thought process and everything that goes into drawing someone's anatomy. So let's dive into it. Alright, so now I'm in ibis Paint X, so go ahead and load up your drawing software and create a sketch of your subject. Now the sketch should be done only using straight lines, so you should have no curves, and you should form a lot of angles. So basically you're creating a polygon figure of your subject. The reason for doing it this way is because it's a lot harder to draw curves, so avoid drawing curves when you're doing your sketch at all times. And also, after you've completed your sketch layer, go ahead and create a different layer to do your line art on. When I'm doing my line art, I tend to keep it very angular, just as when I'm doing the sketch. This is something that you don't have to do. It's just my personal art style, so when you're doing your line art, you can choose to curve it out a bit more. I tend to keep mine a bit more angular. Remember to like and subscribe if you're finding this video useful, and also comment any suggestions that you have. Also, another thing I forgot to mention is that when you're doing your line art, the silhouette, the lines you use to outline your subject, you should use a thicker stroke for those lines, and the details on the inside like the fingers and the eyes, you should use a smaller stroke. Now that's something I did not execute well in this video because I was really rushing it to get this video done so I could upload for you guys. So this drawing is not perfect. A lot of it is actually rushed. I did not do my best because I just wanted to finish this as fast as possible. Now, as you notice, now I'm adding in colors, and when I'm adding in colors, sometimes I use the bucket tool, which is what I use now, but I don't recommend using that. I was just doing it because I wanted to save time. Secondly, when I'm doing my shadows and highlight, I tend to keep them very angular, very angular as well, so I don't smooth those out either. Alright, so bonus tip, your highlights and your shadows should not be done using a white or a black brush with a lowered opacity. And that's basically it. So here's the drawing.